And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, pressure is mounting on the Office of Utilities Regulation, O.U.R, to step up and take action against the Jamaica Public Service for its failure to fully restore electricity to customers since the passage of Hurricane Beryl.
Now, the O.U.R was summoned to Monday's meeting of the Cabinet.
Andrea Chisholm has details.
Sections of Manchester, St. Elizabeth and Clarendon felt the brunt of Beryl's wrath on July 3, and since then, life has been miserable without electricity. Day after day, residents lament the heat, mosquitoes, spoiled items in the refrigerator, and being severely inconvenienced. Political representatives are also under fire, and Energy Minister Daryl has been on a crusade demanding that the Light and Power Company do more to restore electricity. Weeks later, Mr. Vaz is seemingly fed up.
The people have been more than patient, the people have been more than understanding, and they know that they have a government and a minister that is pushing the JPS as far as legally we have the possibility to do.
The JPS is working to complete full restoration by August 12, but that timeline is unacceptable for the government, and so the issue is being turned over to the regulator, the Office of Utilities Regulation, O.U.R.
The O.U.R must step up and step in now and make sure that the revised timelines that I have asked for are delivered, not only in writing, but in practical terms, where people will have back their light for independence, emancipation. O.U.R, it's time for you to step in and do what you have the power to do, which is to regulate and oversight for JPS, which is lacking.
When TVJ News contacted the O.U.R, the regulator promised to issue a statement on Tuesday. The O.U.R has also been invited to the post-cabinet press briefing on Wednesday, July 31, to provide a comprehensive update on steps to ensure speedy restoration. Now, TVJ News saw JPS contractors working in South Manchester manually digging holes 6 feet deep before planting poles. TVJ News understands that in some areas the soil is rocky and they're only able to dig 2 holes per day.
And the question is, why not use mobile compressors and jackhammers to be able to get the holes dug at a faster period and restore the people's light?
The response:
JPS has a range of equipment available for its use. And this ranges from digger derricks on trucks to other types of mechanical tools to manual tools. And this is standard in the industry. No utility is 100% mechanical. And some types of locations are more suitable for some types of equipment. And when you have a situation like this where you're carrying out post-hurricane restoration, it's all hands on deck. Every type of tool you have is going to be in use to get the job done.
Still, the government remains unsatisfied.
And as you know, it was just a hurricane that skimmed Jamaica. Our concern is what happens if there is a direct hit in Jamaica. How soon can we get our country back up and running? And this is a concern for the government. And so we're thinking much more broadly in terms of how we can actually fix the system.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.